Step into the cosmic theater with Black Holes Explained, a mesmerizing 2-minute trailer that unveils the enigmatic mysteries within the heart of these celestial giants. Journey through gravitational symphonies and quantum ballets as black holes orchestrate a cosmic narrative like never before. From stellar mass duets to ethical constellations, scenes unfold, offering profound insights drawn from the ballistic elegance of black holes, leaving viewer captivated by the cosmic wonders. As the cosmic exploration unfolds against breathtaking visuals and celestial wonders, scenes of stewardship nebulae and conscious cosmos invite viewer into a sense of responsibility within vast celestial ecosystems. The legacy of black hole discovery becomes a guiding star, prompting viewer to join the cosmic narrative. The title, Black Holes Explained, gleams against the cosmic backdrop, leaving audiences in anticipation of unraveling the secrets of the universe. Here's the twist: Black Holes Explained is set to be released on November 24, 2023, at 9 p.m. Save the date for a cosmic exploration that promises to demystify the cosmic wonders hidden within black holes. Join us on the Celestial Odyssey, where every scene sparks curiosity, and every glimpse leaves you wondering about the cosmic enigmas that lie beyond. As the clock ticks towards 9 p.m. on November 24th, the universe invites you to partake in an enlightening cosmic conversation, leaving you eager to watch and understand the intricate tales of black holes. Embark on this journey, witness Black Holes Explained, and let the universe reveal its secrets in a spectacular cosmic narrative. The cosmic wonders await your exploration. Will you be there to witness the unveiling of the mysteries within black holes?